place filled with lush plants, thick trees, and exotic animals. Rainforests can be found all over the world, too, from South America to the United Kingdom, even Asia.
A talking tree, where do you see that at? This weekend I visit the Rainforest Café. It's a great place to visit. Make sure you come. The bar stools in shape of different animals. See that giraffe? This place is amazing. You won't be disappointed. Look at that snake right there. You find all kind of animals in this jungle. Check out that mama elephant. Look at her ears move. You see that? I was like, wow. And there's a baby elephant over there. Wait a minute. There it is right there. Their ears move too. Every few minutes, the ears move. And I'm doing a voiceover because it has music. They have people there making balloons for the kids. You see those couple of kids pass by with the balloons for hats. This is a good place for the family. I really enjoyed hanging out at the Rainforest Cafe with the family. This was a truly family outing and it was great. And for my dinner, I had the glazed salmon with grilled shrimps. This drink was amazing. It had 151 in it, Myers rum, pineapple juice. It was great. My dessert, key lime pie. There's me with my fabulous self. I had a great time. Make sure you check it out, Rainforest Cafe. Like and subscribe to the channel.